I'm a huge fan of black carrots. Just a few days back, I made kanji out of black carrots. Today, we will make black halwa out of black carrots. And if you have any eye problems or you have weak eyesight, you must take black carrots. And halwa is the tastiest way of taking black carrots. Assalamu alaikum wonderful people, I am Dr. Asma Mahmood, and to make black carrot halwa from black carrots we need a lot of black carrots. You just have to wash them, peel them and then cut them into big slices, and then we have to shred them. You can use a hand shredder, or if you have a machine like me you can use a machine also, but take care that you cover your hand with gloves, otherwise your hand will become very black. Because carrots, especially the black carrots, they are rich in something called anthocyanin. Anthocyanin is basically an antioxidant which is very beneficial. It helps reduce inflammation, it reduces the risk of type 2 diabetes. Also, it is very good for heart and brain. But the thing is, it is the best for people having weak eyesight. It is one of the best thing you can do for your eyes. And by the way, if you want some more fun and tasty and healthy recipes that will make you get rid of your medicines, do subscribe to our channel. Anyway, if you want to make halwa, whether it is red carrot halwa or black carrot halwa, the procedure is the same. You have to add some ghee in your pot, and then once the ghee melts, you add some cardamom pods, and once the cardamom pods start crackling and you can smell the beautiful aroma of cardamom, now you add your carrots inside the ghee. Now you can add either milk or you can just add cream if you want to make really low carb. Anyway, I am adding both. I added milk as well as the cream. If you are just adding cream, then you have to add about half a cup of water also with the cream. Anyway, whatever you do, you can never make a carrot halwa keto friendly or low carb, because carrots are rich in carbs. All the very good carbs, very beneficial for your health, but still they are high in carbs. You cannot make a keto or a low carb version of it. Anyway, cover this carrot mixture for about 3 hours or until the milk or the water dries up. Now crush 2 cups of dry fruit. I am using walnuts. You can add any dry fruit that you like, but walnuts are also good for eyesight, so I am using walnuts. Anyway, you can see the consistency of a halwa after 2 to 3 hours on the stove. The milk has dried up completely. There is no sign of water inside. Now we will add our crushed dry fruit. I am adding my walnuts, and this is the time we will add our sweetener. I am adding Oriza stevia because it reduces the sugar also. Like carrots are high in sugar, so we need to balance it out somehow. You can add honey or whatever sweetener you like. Finally, I am adding some ground up fennel seeds. They are also very good for eyesight. You can add anything you like. Your halwa is almost done. Now whatever toppings you want to add, you can add. That is your free choice. This halwa is the perfect example of good carbs that we need to add back in our diet once we do carb up while we are doing keto for a while. So let me know in the comment section below, do you carb up when you do keto or low carb, and what do you use to carb up? Anyway, make this halwa, do try it. It tastes wonderful and it is super healthy for you. Take care till meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.